Hey guys, so for our actual, for this particular document, when you use this add-on, make sure before you send it out, you click up here. You should have already added on the Choice Eliminator 2. If you haven't, go back and look at the previous video. Click Configure. And then this thing's going to come up from the author. Just close out of that. It really doesn't matter. So down here, you're going to click particularly this box for the choose a time. And then if you scroll down, let it wait till it says creating and wait till it's done doing that. There you go. Once it turns red, that means you're good to go. And then click this one, do the same thing for choosing a time for that date. And again, just let it go ahead and configure. And once it turns red, we should be good to go. Yep. And so now it should be good to go. So when you share this form with your parents, they will be able to sign up for a time and it will take those times out. When you do get responses, you're going to go here to responses and you're going to click this to create a spreadsheet, and then you can save that wherever you want to save it. But when you open up, it'll show you what parents have responded and their exact time so you can start setting up your own schedule. I hope that was helpful.